Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Manasa Studio. Today's DIY is another trending boho wall hanger, guys, and this is the inspiration for today's video. I've been seeing this kind of boho wall hangers all over the Pinterest and the YouTube videos, and I'm sure you landed because of this. So let's get started. For this I need a cardboard. You can choose your Amazon cardboard or any online shopping cardboard which you get. So I am choosing one of them. Another item you will require is a pair of scissors, glue, I'm choosing Fevicol here, and again we need yarns. So I'm making this for my sister's room again, guys, and I'm choosing the colors which suits that. You have to choose as per your wall colors. And the next thing is you need any color. I am choosing acrylic colors here and a paintbrush. Now before getting back to the video, please subscribe to my channel by searching Manasa Studio, and this is where you need to click subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get an instant notification when I upload a video. Now let's get back to the video. You need to cut the cardboard into a semicircle like how I showed you right here. So I'm taking a reference to make a circle here. I didn't find anything, so I found this one. I made a circle now. Now I'm gonna cut this into a circle. Also divide the circle into two equal halves. Now I just cut this, and now I'm gonna cut following the reference line. Now this is how I cut that perfectly. Now I need to cut it into half. So we are creating semicircles. Now after cutting, these are the two semicircles I have with me right now. Now you got to take the yarn where you have to tie the knots. So I'm just measuring up to what length I had to create the knots or create this design. So once I'm having the length, I'll cut it and keep it aside. Now whatever colors you want, choose those colors and cut it as per the length you require it. So we need to double it up and cut it, so remember that. So take the color which you prefer and start tying a knot to the string which we have prepared earlier. Now how to tie this knot, I've shown this in my previous video. Click the eye appearing on the right hand side of the YouTube page, and this is how you tie a knot and pull it down so that it's secure. Now this was getting difficult for me, so what I did was, for the length I kept it aside, and now I've tied a string which is firm like this, and I'm starting to tie all the colors onto this yarn. Now you guys can see how I'm tying this knot. You need to create a loop, and through the loop you need to pull the leftover string and pull it down tightly. So I'm tying white color first, then sky blue color, and then the dark blue color, and you guys can choose whatever color preference you have. And after 10 minutes, I have tied all the knots here, and it's ready to go onto the cardboard. And this is how it looks. It looks so satisfying, isn't it? Now I'm untying this, and I'm cutting as per the length which I have created earlier as a reference. Now you need to put this onto the cardboard and check if it is right. So this was perfect for me, so I will go ahead and start sticking onto the cardboard. So this yarns have to be like a sandwich, that is first the cardboard, then the yarn which we created, And on top of that, we need to place another cardboard so that it's secure and it doesn't look ugly. I started to apply the Fevicol to the cardboards to paste the yarn onto it. Now this step is your choice, guys. I do brushing on top of the Fevicol so that it's even out. It doesn't have bubbles or anything like that. I even out it. Now apply a large amount of Fevicol on the bottom and stick this yarn on top of that and press it so that it sticks properly. Use your fingers, apply gentle pressure and stick it onto the cardboard. Now, after pasting it properly, apply some on top of that so that you need to place another cardboard, and also apply Fevicol onto the space where you need to stick it onto another cardboard, like so. Apply generously as you don't want this to fall off. Now place it on top of that and gently apply pressure and paste it properly. Now this is how it looks, guys. You can see the wall color behind, so that's the color I had chosen here for the palette. So now what I'm gonna do is paint it black on top of this cardboard. You can choose any color you want, or you can leave it like that because that color is also really great for boho. So I'm painting it black so that it looks even and not left out. And I painted it all black now, guys. After painting it, I will keep it aside so that it dries well. Once it dries, I will be applying a second coat as it looks even more mattifying, guys. So let it dry and we'll keep doing the rest. Now in the similar way, I'm doing another 2 semicircles and cut them as shown before. Now another way which helps you in tying the knots is this way. If you have handles like that, tie one end to this one and tie one end to other one, and this is how you can tie the knots easily. So this is the second color which I'm doing, guys. This is completely dark blue or the navy blue, and once I'm done with the length, this is how it looks like. Now I'm just checking if I need to tie some more knots or I can leave it. Now if you guys can see, this is perfect, so I can just remove that. This is how it looks like. Like how I stuck the previous one, I'm following the same method and sticking this too, and this is how it looks like once I've done the work. Now this is the previous one which I did, guys. The color has completely dried and you guys can see it's not sticking anymore. So I'm gonna do another coat on this, taking the same black color again and applying on top of it. And I'm coloring this one in black as well. Now I painted it completely black and I kept it aside for drying. Meanwhile, I will be making my third color, that is sky blue color. I started tying the knots and I kept a reference mark to where I have to tie this, and once it's done, I'm sticking in the same way which I did. Now I was not having enough cardboard, guys, so I cut something like that, which you can see. I'm done with creating the sandwich. Now let's paint it. Now while I paint this, I require a small favor from you guys. I hope you guys can see the subscribe button beside the channel name. I request you to please hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me, guys. Now I'm keeping aside so that it dries well, and I'm applying second coat on this navy blue color. Applying second coat is really essential, I feel, guys, as it completely looks mattified. Now wait until all three dries, and once it dries away, you need to create a loop like this with the string or a yarn which you have, and stick it with a clear tape so that this goes onto your wall nails. This is how you will hang it onto your walls, guys. Place this loop onto your nail, and that is how it's gonna hang. And after hanging all three, this is the final look of all three, guys. Look at that, it's completely amazing, and it's so boho and modernized. It is so affordable, guys, all the items you will be having in your home. And let me know in comment section if you want to create something like this. Thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. Please don't miss watching my upcoming videos, as it's going to be really interesting. And if you want to watch more such DIY projects, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, everyone.